Okay, and we should be live. Finally, everything is set up correctly. Or at least I hope so. Yep, everything's set up. So, the plan is very simple. To use the Unreal 5.5 to create the card game that was not made before. My plan is very simple. We will create something extremely simple. This will be the map of the game. Our brush is too big. Nice. There will be like player hands and a play game divided by 2, of course. Basically, this will be the enemy territory. Let me. Come on. It's not helping me. Anyway, very simple. We will be dealing cards, and on the middle there will be 2 most important cards. They will be fighting with each other. Basically, something like this. This one will be fighting with this one. More cards will be coming from the left side. It will be simple queue that will fit into the main card or many different main cards depending on what I will decide in the future. And on the other side, from the enemy side, it will be the same. So yeah, and this here are just player cards. Simple enough. Whatever, we don't see this ones, we see this one. Yep. And that's the whole plan for the game. Will it work? No idea. Will it be fun? No idea. Everything is perfect. Yeah, so that's the plan, I guess. Yep. Let's just make another one, and that's the plan for the game. What do I have right now? Because I started it before and just continue doing it. I started it like 2 weeks ago and forgot what the hell do I have. Okay, maybe this is the thing. Fuck no, this is not the thing I wanted. Yeah, so we have basically play space. Why did I move it? And nothing else. Yeah, we can move the cards and basically duplicate it. So the first thing I need to fix is to literally make this thing not duplicatable. Yeah. Sure. Also, let me just turn off the freaking clouds. Cloud. Can I disable it in general? Ray tracing, please no. We do not need the ray tracing in the card game. Fuck it. Skylight. Why the clouds are still here? Sky atmosphere. Also exponential HUD. Okay, this one let's leave for now to see anything. And what the fuck? Ah, clouds. Yep, clouds gone. Everything is bit better. And now I need to think, like, not the common user. I have the Blooplink hacker bullshit. Okay. Recreate card. Where are we using it? Please check the whole project. Inside GameHat. When the mouse is released. Okay, if the play space is hovered by player controller, then we recreate card from the player hand. That's good. Okay, we just create the widget itself. Correct. And how do we remove the card from player hand? Let me put some music. I really hope it will not be copyrighted. Jonathan Young, I love you, dude. I really hope you will not make it. Well, you can take your money. Let's be honest. It's your music, so whatever. Let me open the play card. On input and that. Yep. This one is the thing we really need. Okay. Yep. We got into this. Okay, remove from parent. So basically we destroy the player holding card. This is where we add the card. Okay, that's horrible the way I did this. I don't care though. Nice. Okay. What the hell do I want to do now? Right, the replication. On pressed event. Player holding card. Yep, player holding card. Set player holding card. Okay. This is the thing we need to replace with removing player card from his own inventory. Player holding card is holding, no. Or yes, depending if it's holding. Currently held card, yep. Okay. So if it's holding, we can basically assume that this logic will be correct, and if not, then we want currently held card to be removed from parent, I think. Yep, removed from parent. But wait. What is the currently held parent play card? Okay, so we just set the pointer. Yep. That's good. Why it's not allowing me? Okay. We are missing include. Play card. Yep, remove from parent. So it should disappear. I think from the play zone. Card representation pointer. Okay, I think this is the pointer to like original card. Uh, okay. We can move this thing here. We don't need to replicate it. And let's just pretend like this will work. Yep. And let's test it. Yep, it's missing. And we cannot replicate it. Thank you. Wait, what the what the fuck happened? Hello? What? Ah. Okay. Um, this might be a small issue. Okay. Fuck. Why does it disappear? Come on. I just ignore this changes. Yes, yes. Oh, why it's disappearing? Set player holding. Sure, but from which place? From the player controller, from play card graph. Play card graph, sure. Let me check the play card graph then. So basically this now disappears our card when we are not in correct place. I understand now. So basically this disappears everything. And we cannot do it like that. Okay. Basically this should remove previous space? Nah. Which layer should know where we are, like, doing anything? Which layer should think about this? The card, play space, or player controller? I think the player controller should think if it's hovering the place. Yep. The play card definitely knows if it's hovering it. Wait, no. What the fuck? Game had is thinking about this and it's extremely stupid on my part to do it like that. Okay. So this needs to fucking go. I think so. Okay, so how do we send information for the player controller? how does you check if it's hovered? Save widget is hovered. Show me information like hovered attribute. It's fucking bull. What sets you up? On mouse enter. Okay. Can I... Please on mouse enter? Not you. This thing here. Let's just check if this works how I think it should work. I'm holding the card and we are inside. That's good. That's exactly what I need to do. Sure. So basically the play space needs to send event. Yep. We don't have the C++ class for the play space yet. The common user widget. Yep. Play space widget. We will reparent the blueprint. That's the idea. And now we can declare the delegate. Yep, it works. Even though we still want to reload it. Because we are creating the new class. So. How was it? Declare multicast. I think dynamic multicast delegate. Okay. That's the way. How many parameters we want to do? I think we want two events like on mouse leave and on mouse enter. Yep. Let's get one parent on mouse enter. I want this as a parameter. Name widget. And one without anything on mouse leave. I think these are open. Nope. We cannot name it like that. Unreal already did it. Wait. Why am I even declaring these events? What the fuck is wrong with me? Ah. Yeah. Is the protected? The begin play? Give me native construct. Is the native construct protected or public? Let's guess that it's protected. I don't remember. Uh, Virtual void. Native construct. Override, please. Yes. This thing, and now on mouse. Enter. How do I bind into this? How do I get this thing to work on my way? I think I can somehow bind into this, but don't really remember how. Oh, let me Google it. Is it? It's not virtual. Hmm. These are not virtual functions. Native on mouse enter. This is the thing I want. Thank God. Let me just take this and go back to the place I really wanna do. Wait. Which one is this? Protected. Okay. So, we can just override it. Okay. Now I can create the delegates for it. Okay. Let's just make it public with the U function for everything for tests. Even though it should never be a U function, I don't care right now. New property. Blueprint assignable. Blueprint callable. Player mouse left. Player mouse left. New property. Basically the same thing here. Okay. We need to overwrite this still. Come on, work for me. Thank you. Oh. Okay. I think with this we don't need the construct right now. What the hell do you want? It is defined here. You just did not compile it yet. Okay. And now we broadcast. Okay. Everything should compile. It did not compile. Why? Sure. Forgot the comma. Yep, it compiled. And now we need to reparent the play space. Done. No problems with that. We can just remove this thing. Recreate widget, let's say it can stay for now. Okay, I need to bind delegates on the player controller now. Okay. Let me remove all of that. Game mode base is not something I need. Give me player controller. I need functions. Okay. Let me just move this thing here. Player holding cards. Check the construction. Yep, wrong initialization list. Now it's good. Okay, I need your functions. What was it called? Play space. Var. Play space widget. I can redefine it. Don't do this, like, what the fuck. Okay. And your function. Let's just call it stop hovering. It's whatever. Okay. I want this on the bottom though. Yeah. Okay, now I can add ball. Nah, I will just make new play space widget. Uh, I will move the code to replicate everything into here. It should be here probably. Yeah, over play space. It needs to be a null pointer by default. Okay. This should work, I think. Now I need to fix if okay, if over play space is a null pointer, then we don't do this. Okay. We don't need this many ifs. Yep, it can be done like that. Here and remove the rest of it. Now should be way simpler to do this. Good. And now we need to bind to the delegates inside the play space. What the hell do you want? Amazing, I don't care. Now on native construct we need. Sure. Now we need the native construct. This should work. Yeah, it's from Kismet, so why are you making the thread? I don't care. Okay. But I think we can just go into this instantly. Yep. Yep. Now it should be good. Just include my player controller. It's in engine, so what the fuck are you even talking about? Why it's red? Don't care. How we call this functions? No, this. I call them like that. So, on player mouse enter, add dynamic, but remove this internal for me. Mm. Player controller is the object. My player controller. Place space hovered, and I forgot the symbol here. And I need to remove. That should work. Is inaccessible. Okay, my bad. True. It cannot be inside the protected, it needs to be public. Now it will work. Yep. One player mouse left. Play. Space stop hovering. Now we can check if this will work. Okay, why the fuck are you even calling the gameplay statics? Okay. Included, but not like that. Will it work now? Yep. It works and it works! Everything works perfectly fine. We just spent half an hour to fix one fucking bug. Okay. They are not duplicating and there is only one card in play. Great. Okay. That's more than I expected for today. Ha. Okay, we need to change how this is represented. The play space. Yes. But like this should be player play space. And we need also the enemy play space. Give me the anchors. Yep, perfect. Not the player play space, for fuck's sake. Thank God. It didn't move. It's here. Okay, now it works as intended. This thing here. Let's for now move it here. It's stretched. Holy shit. Oh. Why it's stretched like that? I hate this. I hate UI. And yet I work in UI. Not like this. For fuck's sake. How can I make this always same size? I think it's time for size box. Even though I hate this type of widget, at this moment I don't give a fuck. Give me 200 by 300. And let's check how this will look. Why it's like that? Now it's correct. And here is not correct. What the fuck? I'm not sure. Slice to content? Nah, it won't work like that. Yeah, it still changes the size. I need to have stable size somehow. Fuck it, let's go with that. Not like this. Oh wait. I can see it not being correct. Can I like replace the button with the image? Can I make the button inside it? I can. Give me something that can hold multiple children. Overlay, sure. Image cannot have children. Fuck. That's true. Wait. Oh my fucking god, it might be it. But what's above which? I think now the image is above button and now the button is above image. Yep. Now it will work. Now it should work. Kinda. It still stretches. I hate this thing. Can I make it the same size as this thing? But it will be like under the screen. 0.8 to 1. 0.5 to 0. Let's go with 1.1. Can I do it like that? Yes, even though I cannot see shit under the screen. I kinda don't care at this moment. I will think about it later. That's good idea, I think. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my fucking god, I know. How to stop the fucking stretching. Now should be the same. It changes the size. Ah. Why does it change the size? For fuck's sake. Why not just... No. You need to appear like fully. Mm-hmm. Okay, which card are we creating in our hand then? I need to find the recreate the card. Mouse pressed, no. No, play card, yes. Construct, no input ended, no input pressed. This thing. Card representation. Okay, that's something different. Okay, we need to implement also the size box there. That's good to know. Wrap with size box. Yep, the size box now need to have the correct size. 200 by 300, let's call it. 200 by 300. Now should be the same size. Now it does not change the size, I think. I mean, it's moves. Yep, for the mouse. It still changes the size. Fucking why? What is wrong with you? Why are you changing the size? Fuck it. We are going full retard. It's not something I recommend doing. But I don't care. Now let's try to do... It still changes the size. Why? What is wrong with you? I don't know, 200 by 300 size to content, yes. Canvas panel. I don't know. Like, do we have any offsets or something? Come on. Okay. Let's just change the pivot to 0, 0. No, it's not what I want. Okay, I got lost. Yeah. 0.5. Okay, I don't care. It's few pixels. I do not give a flying fuck right now. I don't care. Okay, I think we need to change this thing into the play space also. Soon. Enemy play space. Yes. Now let's just add... What? Ah, it's a variable and this is not a variable. Okay. Reasonable. With this change, can we put the card here? We still have the bug from the blueprint. Okay. We still have the bug from here. Let's just add the breakpoint here and check how this thing will... Let's just go with that. Okay, hover play space. Enemy play space. Oh my fucking god. Okay, I think I know what's the problem. Even when we drop this card on the enemy play space, we should be able to play it on our side, I think. Yes. When we drop the card on enemy space, we should still add it to our own space. That's, I think, the idea. The music ended. Let me find something else to play. Show me the playlist. Do not play it, I hope. Yeah, let's go with the music from Runscape. Does it play? Yep. Okay. The Runscape it is. How do we approach this problem then? How do I do this? I think I know, and I don't like this. I really think I know, and I don't like this. Yep. Blueprint read right. That's it. That's the thing I think I need to do. Hmm. Yeah. Player, play space. And sadly enough, we also need player cards. Play space. I already don't like this naming scheme. Yeah. Fuck. Okay, we need to set it up. It's already starting to look bad. Yeah. Game head, please. On the construction. Yeah, give me player controller. Yep. Player, play space. This is the way. I hate blueprints exactly like that. Blueprints are such a horrible thing in terms of doing a lot of boilerplate work. I will need to move this to the code sooner or later. Okay. Give me the play space. Yeah. Anchors for it. Move it to 0, 0, 0 with the offsets. And rename it to WB player cards space. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I hate this naming. Player card space. Yep. Let's save it and restart it because it will not compile with this code. Why did you crash? Yeah. It does not compile. Player card space. Yep. Now we can do this. And I want this thing. And I also need this thing. I hate blueprints. Why does it look so horrible? Because it's blueprints. Even though it's slightly faster, I guess. And it's open for designers, I still hate them. You can do everything you want from the code. Just learn it. Okay. And now... what the fuck I want to do? We still have the bug. Let me check this thing again. This thing works, and now this should disappear. Yes, it disappeared. It's bad. But now I can check if the hovered play space is higher play space. This should make it not disappear, but it won't fix it the way I want to. Are you fucking nuts? Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Okay. No, it's not helping. Um, my head also hurts. I need water. I really need water. Let's just say that I will also add vitamin C. I bought it today. It will be good for this occasion. Water and vitamin C, because why not? It's good and kinda healthy. At least it will taste good. So we need to move everything from blueprint to code, because holy fuck, I'm getting lost in the blueprints. Yeah. I see the problem. Yeah, this thing here. I was staring at it all the time. Let me test it though. No, not like this. Hmm. I mean, maybe? Maybe like that? What the fuck did I press? I pressed Control W and it disappeared. Why? Come on. Yep, 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 yep. Okay. I. What? Okay, I know how it works, but this is still a cancer. I still cannot do it like that. Oh. Yeah, time to move it to code. I hate blueprints. It's not the greatest idea on what I'm trying to achieve here. Yep. So, first let's also add the enemy space and enemy cards to our player controller. Yep. Let's just restart and we will go from this. Nah, I was just not wanting to play today. So I just decided to make a game. Welcome to the stream. Like the channel name suggests, it's fucking random. What I'm gonna do? Who knows? So today I'm making a card game. Like why? I don't know. Not like I have super fun back. And boom, it's gone. Yeah. Oh my freaking god. Slowly working through everything. Nah, my dude. I'm mostly C++ programmer. I would rather do everything in C++ than nodes, but nodes are just faster for prototyping. So I just test everything in nodes, then move it to code when I need to. Also, it's like, whatever. Super quick trial and error right now. So yeah. This is the thing I need, and I will slowly think on how to freaking connect everything. Because if the cards are not working correctly, then the whole game is just done. I will show you though what's the plan for card game. Memory management is basically done by Unreal Engine. Epic Games created their own garbage collector, and if something is not being used, then it's just garbage collected. So it's super easy. Basically, destroy thing you want to destroy and it's gone from the memory. I will show you the plan for the game. It's complicated. Let me start from scratch. It will be simpler. So, the whole screen, player cards, enemy cards, and in the middle there will be like two main cards that will be fighting with each other. Basically, this one will be fighting with this one, and there will be Q from left on the player and from the right to the enemy. That will feed into the central card. And that's the whole plan. Yep, Vanilla C++ have no garbage collector, and you need to think about everything, like freeing the memory, allocating it by yourself, and everything. Even though they slowly start off adding like everything, adding the garbage collector to C++ in the newest versions, but I'm not sure if that's the good plan. Yu-Gi-Oh! Wasn't Yu-Gi-Oh! Like 5 cards in the middle and the second row down here with the defending cards? Because like, I know how Yu-Gi-Oh! Kinda works. I saw the old anime and everything. It was very old anime. But also I would just want to do something new, like not just copying Hearthstone or anything like that. So like, this is the idea. Will this be fun? I have no clue. Maybe, perhaps. We will see. What do I also need here? Yep, I also need the play space for enemy cards. It's slow process and it might take a while. Yeah. The first row monsters and second spell or trap cards. Yes, exactly. But wait, you could not put the monsters also in second row? Like the shields? Okay, then I don't remember it correctly. My bad. Okay, let me copy the anchors for it and move the minimum to minus 0.1. Up. So there are the cards for the enemies. We still need this as a variable. It's starting to look messy. That's why I don't like blueprints. It's always mess in the end. No, they created their own language. They created the slate and I have no idea how it's built. In the end, someday I might start thinking about going into the slate, but not at the current moment. Like, I have way too much stuff with the UI, the common UI and everything in the Unreal to really want to think about it right now. But they created their own language, the slate. Everything is created in the end in the slate. Where do I have something? Common user widget, user widget. Let's go deeper. Widgets, visual, object. Okay, we are too deep. Widget is built on slate, like everything they created from scratch, and they have like their own functions that you can basically use. But yeah, I do not want to go that deep. There's no need for me. I just want to create something interesting, I would say. Maybe it will happen, maybe not. I don't know. I need to right now remove this garbage, because this is horrible. Yes. I need some functioning player controller that will react to mouse release. Let's just create one. New function, void. Mouse released. And basically I will move all this garbage into the code and then I will think about how can I fix it? Because holy shit. Okay. Player play space. We are missing an include. Will you suggest it for me? You will not. Why are you not suggesting me my includes? Play space widget. This thing here. Oh, basically we got this. Now we need to get this thing. Okay. I can move it also to this. Check. How long have I been coding professionally? Like 3 years at this point. Still at one company. Maybe I'll move, maybe not. I'm not sure. I kinda like it. But yeah, I'm programming in Unreal Engine for like 3 years right now as a professional. And now I'm thinking about making something small from scratch as a personal project. Lately I was also making the idle game in the web browser. If you wanna check it, in the video description there is a link to my website with the game. Yep, games. I can tell you that I'm in... Wait a second. Let me check the Steam. Let me open it. I will show you in which game I'm in the... What is it called? Like developers information. Basically the Robocop Approach City. Released last... Holy hell, it's already 2 years. I'm old! But yeah. I'm currently working for Teon. Cool game. I still need to finish it from start to the end.
According to our sources.
One day I will finish it. Thank you, I tried very hard. And it kinda worked. Okay. So, we still need to do something like this. Player play space, the recreate card. Holy shit, it's blueprint. I'm retarded. Why did I do this like that? Eh. Yeah, I will move everything to code then. Shit. Like I was saying, it's good for quick prototyping, and then when I start to think, I just collapse to code. What do I need here? A play card. Play card. Yep. Basically, I will just recreate the function also here. Basically, this I need to move also to the code to use it from other place of code. Yeah. Oh, come on, just ignore this. I need to recreate function to recreate cards from the player hand. Okay, create widget. What do I need for creating widget? Owning object. Let's say that this will own the object. I need the Static class. Play card. Get class. Will this work? It will not work. Get private static class? Maybe? Nah. You're not helping me. Static class. Thank God it's this. Now, work. I also need to include this. True. Are you helping with me? Oh, class type. What have... Oh, for fuck's sake. Get class? Yes, now it's working. I was missing include. So, when we have the U widget, what do we do with this now? I need to insert it where? Not the horizontal box. Or maybe? Oh shit, it's also the horizontal box. True. Cards. I need the pointer to the horizontal box. A property meta widget. I mean, I think both engines are extremely hard when you go like deep inside. It's just verb those. There's a lot of text, but most of it is like super simple, or that's what I think. I mean, the hardest thing to think about is the U properties, because this thing here literally declare what can you make inside the blueprints. Without these things, you will not be able to operate inside blueprints like at all. So yeah, they are quite important. To think about, but it's like, you can get it. But Unreal is like extremely powerful tool and super complicated when you start with it, but after some time you just get used to it. Yeah, something like that, I would say. The Unity is much simpler in its construction, and Unity heavily depends on community implementation of some tools. And Epic Games try to make everything on their own. So yeah, I would say I agree with you. A lot of words just to say this. Sorry. What did I need? Horizontal box. Also, just C++ is much harder than C# in general. But C# is such a nice language. I love C#. When I need to do like anything from taking the API from web, it's like C# 100%. So much nicer language. Okay, this thing I need a child to horizontal box widget, yes, and I still need to include it. Where are you located? Components horizontal box. Okay, so created this. Where was it used? what was calling it? The game hat. Okay, so go back to the player controller. Recreate card, currently held card, I think. And now I can remove this piece of trash and this thing here. Just need to restart the editor to make everything compile. Yay! The big projects, it takes so much time to compile it. The one minus of C++, it needs to compile. It does not change in the runtime at all. I need the player controller. I will move all of this to some place where it will not be needed. How did I call the function? Mouse released. Shit. Forgot to add the U property. Fuck me. Without the freaking U property, I cannot call it in blueprints. Yay! This thing literally created hours for me of trying to find the solution why it won't work. Because the programmer was retarded. Also, the documentation for Unreal Engine just freaking sucks. That's what I can say 100%. Okay. Let's see how many bugs did I create. Okay. Okay. I think I fixed everything. Do good. Good, perfect. Holy shit. It works. Yeah, I still need to check. Like for this case. But yeah, now it kinda works, I would say. It's much better than before. But yeah. Okay, what the hell do I wanna do now? I think now I should fix, like, holding the cards, canceling the card placement. Yeah, that's the good idea. Sure. Also, I will need to remove this from being called from blueprints and move it to this place somewhere. Okay, I know what I need to do. Basically, move this to separate if. It made its usefulness. And made separate check for player card space. And if it's inside the player card space, then we will recreate card in player card space rather than player play space. This will fix this problem. See you, my dude, and thank you for checking in. I did not expect anyone to be here, to be honest, so thank you for being here. And see you on Monday. I think I will go back to the regular schedule. I still need to fix a lot of stuff here. I cannot make this. Okay, now I'll fix like moving from player space to back to the card space. So yeah, see you, my dude. How do I fix this? Nice player holding card. Okay, I need to remove the idea of removing art itself. So I need to change this. Now I need to change this to fix everything else. Yep. How do I fix this? First, I cannot make the card decide if it does something or not. This whole thing will need to go from here. I will add current play space to the card itself for information holding, and we'll see what can I achieve by that. Play space widget. Card place. Not the greatest naming, I don't care. View property, blueprint, callable. Not, it's not callable. Blueprint read write. Yes, I think read write will be good enough for now. Yes. Then let's predefine it. What do I go from here? Player controller. Play space, recreate card, currently held card. Uh, yep, I need to set the currently held card space. How the fuck did I call it? I'm retarded. Card place. Play space. Let's be the same at this play space. Will be player play space. And here I will give it card space. What can I do now with this information? Because I know I need this information and I'm not sure how can I use it right now. Hmm. I think I also need delegate or something. No, I can do it here. Player holding card. Yes. If we are holding the card, then everything is alright. Then, when we release the card, Hmm. I think when the same space is the current space of the play card, we should do nothing. Oh wait, I just need to fix this problem. I freaking forgot. Where is this button? Here, player. Currently held card. Play space is not equal to player play space. Then we can move it. Yes. That's good way, but I think then it will disappear. Like 100% it will disappear after we move it from play space to the card space. Let me check. What? No. What? What the fuck? Eh? Okay. It's null. What did you reset? What reset you? Eh? Show me the card itself. Play card, play space is null. Why the play space is null? Why the hell play space is null? Eh? Just go for it. Into the... What? Here? Is holding false. Over play space is null. Why it was null? Fuck. Eh? Currently held card. Play card 2. Play space. Player play space. And now the player play space was null. I'm dumb. Okay. What the f... What? Create widget. It's creating new widget. I am fucking dumb. I am retarded. I bet. It was literally recreating freaking widget. Give me this. Play card. Widget. Yes. Add widget. Widget. Yes. Play space. Equal to play card. Play space. Yes. Now it should work. Ignore. Whatever. Was not compiled. Okay, I will restart. Will this work now? Play space is null. Okay, that's okay with this case, and now the play space should be... There it is. Thank God. And now it should not... It disappeared. I told you. How the fuck do I fix this now? Set player holding card. No. I do not want this. And let's say that on this we will release the card. And after that, we will go through this logic. If it's reasonable. If player was holding card, then we go through this with is holding false. Held card will be the null pointer. And then it should go through this after it's done, and we should have the same everything. Basically, it should still disappear when we move from player space to card space, but we will have okay. It's what? Alright, we were setting currently to what? Why? Held card, null pointer, held card. Currently held card. Why the held card was... That's weird. Was it called twice? Because this should not happen like that. Held card was null pointer. Why? Why was it null pointer? For some reason it's not set up. It's not set up now. Basically, we are not setting player holding card at the beginning now. I removed something too much. I removed this event, even though I should have removed this event. It was my bad. Now it will go. Yes. Now everything should work fine. Yep. And it disappears. We got same result. Good. This is what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay. Now we need to... Oh, fuck. It's still being destroyed at the start. True. Oh. Yeah, I think I know what I need to do. If player card space is hovered and currently held card is play space equal to player play space, or all of this, then we still recreate the card at player play space. But if player card space is hovered when it's not player play space, then we recreate it at the player cards space. Now everything should work fine. Now, I can move to the card space. Yes, I can move to the play space, and it moves back to the play space. Yes. This is exactly what I wanted. Fuck yeah. Oh, I love it. Done for today. I fixed the annoying bugs that I had for today. Oh, next time. I don't know if I will stream, but next time I will try to add player deck. That's the idea. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and comment how horrible were my blueprints. See you all on Monday. Bye.